Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a collective haul from Walmart. This is a two different times that I went into Walmart and found some items. Anyway, so I ended up going, or usually I go to the clearance aisle. This week I had not found anything, and then somehow I ended up going through the party supplies and cakes, and they had a whole bunch of these things on sale, clearance down. This is a like a little tray, and this was $1. It is a nice cute tray, and I did get me a few. I got me this table cover. This is a unicorn table cover, and I thought it was so cute. My granddaughter loves horses, so hopefully she would like this table cover. I also found the plates, so I did get me the plates. I also found these plates, so these would be more for my kids or my grandsons. And I also found this one right here. I thought that was the cutest ever. Oh no, oh my gosh. And all these I believe were like either 75 cents to $1. Okay. And then I also found this right here, you guys. Oh, this is amazing. I love this. This is a table cover, and I've been using it for rosettes, to make rosettes, so I love this. And then I found these right here, you guys. I thought this was cute. Oh my goodness, look at the crabs. So this is a water or tea dispenser, and I did find, oops, the cups right here. These were 50 cents, and so I thought it kind of matched okay with it. So yeah, so anyway, so I did need some summer cups. I do not have any summer cups, and I don't like using glass in my household. I'm so afraid of glass. I don't know why. So that was last week's, and then this week I went and I found some of the Easter items reduced candy wise. Oh, and then I did also find this fabric right here. These were $5 each, so that is so cute. So this bag was, I can't believe, you guys, how much candy is now. So this was $5 right here, so oh my goodness. So I did get this. It was $4.68 from what I remember. I also got this Easter matching, so whenever my grandkids come over, I figured, get them something to play with. This was $1.25. Easter items are 75% discounted at Walmart right now. The candy is 50% off, so yeah. This one was 86 cents. I love jelly beans, so I had to get some. Napkins were like, I think they were like 34 cents. 24 cents. They were actually 24 cents. And then I found these right here, these baggies, and these were 208, 75% off. They were 34 cents. I did ask the cashier before, or not the cashier, one of the girls, to scan the items for me before I even got them. So these were 34 cents. And how cute are these? Oh my goodness. I found me some cupcake liners. I found this right here, and then I also got me a basket so I could put my dies in. And that is it, you guys, for my Walmart small haul. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now. Hopefully you guys will find something at Walmart.